Another build, I suppose quite a high-end one. We're using the PHANTEKS case again, brilliant case, love the RGB lighting option you can have on it. You can obviously add 1 metre or 2 metre stripping, which comes with magnetic strip at the back or the 3M tape, whatever you choose. It's a shame they've actually decided to discontinue this case, which is a shame. With the build we're going with a Core i7 6700K along with 32 gig of RAMs. Again, this has LED lighting. It'll be interesting to see how they look once the case is up and running. 1 terabyte Evo drive. Prices have dropped quite significantly on that, that's why I got that. We're going with obviously a CD-ROM, fan controller, a bit old fashioned, but I like the manual control aspect of it. We're having 5 140 fans in the case. You'll have basically 3 140s pulling air in and 3 140s pulling air out, so it should be quite even, and they're relatively quiet for 140s. We're also going with the H90 CPU cooler from Corsair and the Corsair power supply. A bit overkill, 750, but it was a good price and it's nice to have a 10-year warranty with it. Board we're using is the MSI Gaming M5 board. You have 3 in the run. You can have the M3, M5 and 7 depending on price. M5 is the middle board at 150. Decided that really, again, red and black colour scheme. And finally we're going with a GTX1080. Now the two I have here are basically the two lowest end prices you can buy, 549 and 559. Clock speeds, there's 50 megahertz between it, not much in it at all. It's just down to how you want the PC to look. This colour, blue and white, not everybody's taste. Game Rock written on the back, which is reminds me of Guitar Heroes, but yeah, it's okay. This one's identical, same cooler, same power, same everything basically. It's just a little bit imposing in colour, so we're going to probably go with this one. These are quite substantially big cards. I'll give you a quick comparison. I have a, I won't call standard card, but it is a 960, basic size. You can see it's quite a substantial difference, so you need to make sure that your case can take this extra room. So that's it basically, and that's the build. We'll get on with it and see how we go. And once again, I do apologise for the sound. I should get a dedicated camera, but I'm using a mobile phone, so I do apologise for the sound quality if it doesn't sound too good. And thanks very much. Okay, right, the motherboard's all together, CPU's in, there's the RAM. So yeah, it looks quite good. It's quite interesting to see how that turns out when the system's on. The boards are very clean. It's nice to see it's got 2 MD2 slots. Also USB 3 is out this way, so it doesn't protrude into the actual build, which is nice. A nice colour inside once it's in. The fans are in, 3 140s at the top, and the 2 140s at the front. Obviously all the wiring to be done. So yeah, it's coming along. We'll get the board in and we'll continue with the video. Okay, the build's is nearly complete. Everything's in place. It's quite nice with the colours. A bit of tidying up to do, obviously. Yeah, not too bad. A lot of tidying up to do back here. Get all the wiring sourced out and everything else. So just fire it up. Get into the BIOS. Okay, there we go. Right, so as it looks, That's the RAM. No particular pattern to it, it's just a bit of flash, I suppose. The graphics card, yes, is in green at the moment until the software is loaded. You can have it start up in red then. A lot of tidying up to do still. Running game boost, so it gives it a nice boost from 4 to 4.4. No issues. Yeah, so coming together. All the fans are in place. Obviously got to tidy up. We'll put that other bit of RGB lighting in. Yeah. And obviously what I like about this case is the colouring. Obviously we don't benefit to see on video, but it does look very good. And obviously it's on both sides of the case. Okay, a little bit more work to do and then we'll get back. Okay, the build is complete. Running before in game mode quite nicely. LED lights aren't on at the moment. Switch them on. Okay, so bit bright. Don't know. Obviously you've got selection of same colours as before. Relatively clean. The wires I'm not happy with. The green light will go. I'll get that done with the software. But yeah, not too bad. This cabling I'm not too best pleased about. I'm going to get some cloth wiring I think and change that up. Overall, yeah, not too bad with it. Obviously the LEDs or the RGBs are personal choice. But yeah, job done. Yep, quite happy. Right. If I get the wiring changed up a little bit, I might get an attachment to the video, but once again, thank you very much for looking. Okay, that's it. Build's complete. So just fire it up. So it looks quite nice once all the software kicks in. Yeah, very pleased with it. Change that cabling out, like I said I would. So I decided to go with the red and black cloth cabling. So yeah, it looks quite nice. So we still obviously got the range of colours. Yeah. That's it. Once again, thank you very much for watching. And that's it. Thank you.